Okay guys, so I've got Vid Curate Alpha open and I've created a new project called Golden Keyword Ratio case study. What I'm going to do here is create a playlist and put my videos inside the playlist strategically so that we can make sales and that we can drive traffic to those videos and build awareness around a brand new software that we have created. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to inside the project. You can see the playlist items and the info over here. We'll go to the playlist items tab and we'll click on search and add. Okay, and I'm just going to type in here Golden Keyword Ratio case study, and I'll expand on this as well. Okay, so we can see here there's a whole bunch of different videos here that we can tap into. What I'm going to do is I'm going to checkbox all of them. Okay, and I'm going to come down. You can see I've already got a couple of videos in here, which we will get to in just a few minutes. Okay, so I think I've got about 50 videos here. Okay, I'm just going to click on import. Okay, so this is the order that Google has given us via the API key. I'm going to take this, move it up. Let's see how far we've moved it up. I want to put it around about number 3 and number 4 spot. Let's put it in number 5 spot. Come down a bit more. And this is one of mine. I'm strategically placing them where people are going to be likely to pay attention to them. I don't need them to view all of these videos. I just want to build awareness. Okay, come down a little bit more. And okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a video by the URL and add it in here, so we can click on here to add from URL. Okay, now if I come down to the bottom, you're going to see that video has been added at the end. Okay, so here we can see it's a nice headline, sub-headline, keyword and KGR keyword tool with bulk column title checker. Here's what's really special about the keyword golden ratio strategy. We like that one, so we want to make that go up, and we'll put it into position 3. See how far we come. Let's keep hitting that until it comes up to position 3. Okay, we want to do one more that's going to be in position 1. It's going to be this one here. Hold on a second, I'm just using another screen here guys so that I can grab things. I just find it easier to work with 2 screens. I'll click on add the video, and again it's going to go to the bottom, the video, and we have to just highlight it, and you can see here finally an automatic keyword golden ratio tool, because it automates everything basically, so we want people to know that. I pressed the update button by mistake. It's actually putting this onto YouTube right now, but it's okay. It will take a minute. I'll pause the video. You can see here it's updating 11, 12, etc. This is actually putting the video on YouTube. Just bear with me. Alright, almost there. Sorry about that. I meant to just highlight this so that I can start to move this up, but I think what's happened now is put that video onto YouTube. I put that playlist on YouTube, which I'll show you in just a second. We can check it. Okay, so this is the one that we want on top. Now what I want to do as well is I want to right click on here and set this as a thumbnail playlist, playlist thumbnail. And you will see that it's going to log in again. It does this manually for some reason. But what actually happens is it makes sure that this is the thumbnail that gets used when you see it in the search results. And this is what we want to get seen, because this thumbnail has got some kind of subheading text. Okay, so it tells everybody exactly what it is, like keyword golden ratio tool, finally an automated, fully automated way to do keyword golden ratio automation. So what I showed them in that video is that basically if you try to do this all in title search one by one, it's going to take a long time. And I showed them an example where I've got like 2,000 keywords in the tool and how many reds there are there because they don't fit, they don't qualify for the keyword golden ratio, and how much work this tool will save them because it highlights in green everything that is suitable, and it only takes 1 click. So I'll show you the tool as well before we go further. So here we can see we set that up. Okay, so basically what I want to do is just let people see. You can see it tells its own story. So this thumbnail is going to be the one that shows in the search results. So somebody searching for keyword golden ratio tool is going to find it. Somebody searching for keyword golden ratio tutorials is going to find it. Someone searching for keyword golden ratio case studies is going to find it. Okay, so that's basically how we can do this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is come over into the info section. Now this is where it gets really interesting. I'm going to just highlight and put my mouse underneath this keyword golden ratio case study. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click insert playlist items titles. Okay. Oh, actually I was in the tags there. The titles go in here. So every single video that's in the playlist, you can see all 50. Their titles are now inside my description. Okay, and what I'm going to do next, I'm going to come down to the bottom. You can see I've got 52 videos now. I'm going to click on here for the insert channel hashtags. So I'm going to put my channel, and I'm going to put Doug Cunnington channel, and I'll just go through them all one by one. Okay, and all of these help us with the optimization. Okay. Just a nice, easy, you can see everything's super simple. Everything, these are advanced strategies made like really stupidly simple. It's just click a button kind of thing. Okay, so what we've done so far is we put in all those keyword rich titles from all of those videos that are in this playlist, all the titles here, keyword golden ratio terms to help you rank in Google, etc, etc. Okay, all 50 of them, and we've done the hashtags from the channels they belong to. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to go over to send to only wire, and I'll just click on here, and I'll just take this keyword golden ratio, and we click on start bookmarking. Okay, I'm not quite sure why that failed there. It's probably my password is wrong. Let's see what else we can do in here. Let's go over into the translate. Okay, we'll come into the bulk update. We'll select all languages, and we'll click on update localized title and description. Okay, this is going to make the playlist metadata findable in different languages. Okay, so it doesn't change anything with the metadata on the actual playlist when you see it in YouTube, but in the background it's localized and translated into all these different languages. Okay, so you can see we've got 41 different languages, but I've set it that it randomizes the amount that it translates each time. Okay, so it can do 41 sometimes, and 16 another time, and 24 another time. And we just let it go and do what it wants to do there, according to the randomization. Now, the reason I did the randomization is because we do this quite a lot, so it's just simpler that we don't get in. We don't provide any warnings to YouTube that we're basically manipulating the system to be able to get a lot more traffic. Okay, I think we'll make that optional for future. So while I'm waiting for that, what I want to do is basically, okay, we got 16 localized there for some reason. Okay, that's all done. So all that optimization is done. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to click on save here. Okay, so everything's there. Basically what we're going to do now is we're going to open the URL, bring this over from the other screen, and you can see everything we just built in seconds. Built in seconds. Okay, all of that is built in seconds. Nice. Somebody searching for keyword golden ratio can find our content. Once this kicks in, it will get indexed, it will start to rank, etc, etc. Now that's only one strategy that we can do with Vid Curate Alpha. Another strategy that we can do is we can go and do a Saturate. So basically I can take my video URL, I'm going to copy this URL here and go over to Saturate. Okay, I'm going to put my video URL in here. And what I can do is I can do keyword golden ratio. Okay, I'm just going to copy at this point. Okay, what I'm going to do here is take some modifiers, okay, for Amazon keywords. And then put here, how to automate keyword golden ratio. And I can keep going like keywords like this, okay. And basically what I'm going to do here, the number of videos, I'm going to set this to 15. And the accounts, I'm basically going to add all the accounts. Just click here, select all, add them all. And I'll choose one of these random, okay. Actually, I don't want to take them all. Remove these. Add multiple accounts. I don't want to take the ones that's got Commander software because those are not easy to log into without having the API set. Okay, so I'll choose just these. That's all I need. And here we can see we've got multiple options here. Automatically add the titles. So remember, we're going to be taking the top 15 videos here from the search results. Okay, we're going to put our video on top. That's what's actually happening here. Okay, so remember what we did with this, where we took those playlist item titles. Okay, and we automatically added them into, with one click, we added them into the description. Well, this does it automatically. Okay, and it's going to take the titles from the top 15 videos and put my video on top. Okay, and it will automatically add those channel hashtags. It will automatically add the top 6 tags used from all of the videos. It will automatically set the thumbnail for us, okay, and it will automatically add the video URL into the playlist description. Okay, so I'll just call this one Vid Curate KGR1. Okay, the playlist title. This is only for the first one here. All I do is take it like this, okay? Because it's going to automate the rest of it. Just put in the seed keyword in here. And what we can do is we can just click to add the project. When we click to add the project, it's going to go out and do that automation for us, okay? So we just let it go and do what it needs to do. And it will take a couple of minutes. It's only creating a couple of playlists. But the more keyword phrases you put in here, the more it will do. Now, I did this previously for compare car insurance keywords in every single American state, like from places like Wyoming and Florida, New York, Texas, etc. They all got on page 1 of YouTube, all of them, every single one of them. Of course, when I showed it on the webinar, a few days later, the ones that I showed on the webinar disappeared, so I'm guessing somebody backlinked them or something like that. And basically, they kind of disappeared from there. But the thing is, it works, the strategy works, and we're able to do that strategy very, very quickly, very, very easily as well. Okay, now that's been created, you can see it in here. You can see the playlist has been created. Okay, let's go and have a look on YouTube. There we go. Playlist is created. Let's go back into the tool again. Click on this one. Open the URL. That's 2 playlists created, fully optimized. Fully optimized, okay. What you want to do here is a little bit more optimization. I forgot to show you something actually. Let's go back to the one we did before. We're going to the info here, but what we can do is we can click on grab tags from playlist items. Watch what happens here. I can take the top tags used by all of those videos in that playlist. There's 50 videos, remember, in that playlist. Okay, this is all the tags combined. So we can take the top tags like keyword golden ratio, Doug Cunnington, come down a little bit, and I'm looking for stuff that's really to do with the keyword golden ratio. So keyword ratio, this one, and you can see being able to do this, we're able to go and snipe the very, very, very best and most accurate keywords. And what we're doing at the same time is we're aligning our content with this content that we've got. Not just, let's come up a little bit, not just from doing the playlist itself, but actually with the tags as well, so that maybe we can show up in the suggested videos for our video, because our video is showing here at the top. Okay, you can click on save that again. That will update the playlist. So we just updated all the tags. in a couple of clicks. I mean, it's important that you can understand the power of what we've built here. It's really important. Now the Saturate, we can run this for 20, 30, 40, 50 playlists, and you saw how fast that was to go and create this. Okay, and again we can do the same things, but we've already pulled in the top 6 tags. What you want to do is you want to optimize that a little bit more. Okay, so we can come in here and choose different tags that are going to be fitting for whatever. I'll just click on cancel here, and you can update it. Okay, so you can go through each one and make sure that they really are well optimized. Now what we need to do here is, actually let's do one more thing. I'll just create a new campaign. What I was going to say is we need to go and change these titles in here, which we do need to do. I'm not quite sure. I think what I forgot to do here was I needed to put spin tags for the titles. That's what I forgot to do. You need to use spin tags, so you've got a different title at each one of these, so I need to go and correct that later. So that's why I'm saying let's just skip it for now, and we'll come in and we'll do a new project one more time, and we're going to call this one KGR3. Okay, we'll call this one keyword golden ratio. Oh, actually let's do this one as keyword research. This is really powerful stuff I'm going to show you here right now. I'll choose a YouTube account, anyone at all. Add the project right now. What we're going to do is come in the playlist items. This time we're going to clone an existing playlist. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just expand on this. What I'm doing is searching. I'm using a seed keyword like keyword research. I'm looking for other people's playlists around the topic of keyword research in this example. Okay, now this will work for recipes, for movie trailers, music, news, anything you want. Okay, and you can see here Ahrefs have a channel that has got keyword research tutorials for SEO. I'm going to click on that, I'm going to highlight that. We know that's very good quality. Surfside PPC, I know them very well. I watch a lot of their videos, they're very good quality. Okay, what we can do is we can view the playlist items as well. So if you want to take just some of them, we can. Or we can take all of them. Now this is quite a combination. Okay, SEO Power Suite, that's again quality. So we're going to take that, and SEMrush will take that as well. Okay, so we're taking 4 playlists from 4 huge players. Okay, Ahrefs is very good Power Suite. SEMrush, they're well-known SEO platforms. Surfside PPC, if you want to learn anything about PPC, go and check this guy's channel out. It's very good quality stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import selected data. Okay, so I'm taking every single video from all of those different playlists, and I'm creating one playlist. Okay, one total playlist. Now if I come back in here and just do that one more time, and because I forgot to show you something, I'll just click on search. Now this works especially well if you want to sort this out by the amount of views a playlist is getting. You can do it like this. So you can see, oh, here's another one, keyword golden ratio masterclass. Well, we're going to take that. How to do keyword research with Market Samurai, 6 videos, etc. We can actually build up more of these, but anyway, you can see this one's got 24,644. If you're doing this with other niches, like how to speak English or cooking kind of channels like recipes and stuff, you're going to find playlists that have got millions of views, absolutely millions of views. Children's music, children's songs, how to play guitar, all that kind of stuff. You're going to find playlists with millions of views, and you can just simply import these, and you can sort it by the view and import the ones that are really relevant to what you're doing. Okay, now what I can do, remember that video that I had before? Okay, I'm going to take my video here, and I'm going to click on add from URL, and I'll just add that video. Now obviously it's going to go way down to the bottom, so I need to highlight this, and I'm going to move it up. Okay, let's come up. So my video's on top. Okay, and I've associated my video with Ahrefs. I've associated my video with Surfside PPC, with SEMrush and SEO Power Suite. Okay, come over in here, and we'll click on this area and set the playlist items. Keyword research tutorials, I think we'll call this one. Okay. I'll just make this a little bit more appealing. Top 5 keyword research tutorials, resources, something like that. Okay. And we'll grab the tags, we'll see which ones is the most popular. Because it's doing that count in real time. It's going through all 48 videos. And I'm going to take just the ones that says about keyword research, or that says the brand name of the platform. Keyword planner's kind of decent. Okay, I'll just click on add the tags right now. These channel hashtags, what you will see here is that anything that's got that pound sign is going to show here. So we want to get rid of those, and the way to get rid of those is we need to go and find them in here. So number 5 we can see. Let's see if we can find more. There's one number 6 in here. One number 4 here. There should be another number 5 somewhere. Okay, just bear with me. And then get this and we get rid of it once and for all. Yeah, I need to automate finding this so that we don't have this situation. Anyway, okay, so what I'll do is channel hashtags now. I'll take these, this. You can see we've got 5 different resources for these videos. And we put them all in here. Okay, so now what I can do is I can click on save. Okay, so we've now got our URL. If I open the URL, just bring this over, you can see it's got no videos yet because I haven't clicked on the update button. What I'll do is I'll come over here and we will click on the update, and we've got all of these videos being uploaded now. Video 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it's just going to keep going. Give it a second, it's halfway there. And you can see just how powerful, how easy this is, guys. Really, really, really super simple. Nothing difficult at all. While that's happening, I'm just going to pull over the OnlyWire account in here. And you can see that I've been updating, I've been clicking on those playlists, and we've just been updating in here. In a single click, and that's done from the software itself. Okay, that's done actually from the software itself. Just move that over there. Right, so now that we have updated our playlist, let's click on OK. Let's come back over again. I need to do this one more time. I'll click on open the URL. And you can see our playlist is now live. Perfect. Okay, so we've taken from top 5 resources, 8 Ahrefs. We have aligned our content with these people. Okay, now there's only 27 there so far because it's still updating. So right now you can see 24 videos. Let's do a refresh again. Click on F5. It's still uploading. Now we're at 33. I think it was 47 in total, wasn't it? So now you can see we've got Southside PPC, we're now onto SEO Power Suite at 33 videos, and this is real time being updated. 38 videos now, and you can see how that works. Okay, powerful stuff. Okay, so that's how we can take a video that we really want to get ranked, that we really want to be able to get a lot of exposure to because we're selling something. So what we want to do then is we want to make sure the video's reasonably optimized inside YouTube for the video optimization for that specific video itself, and then we want to make sure that we can use playlists to be able to do a lot of distribution, align our content with other influencers, with influential channels and influential high traffic playlist and videos and content, etc. And we're just basically putting ourselves in about them. Okay, we're just getting in the faces with it, so that we start to insert ourselves as an authority with our video. It's as simple as that. It's such a powerful tool. Everything is like push button simple. What we can do as well, we can syndicate the playlist in social media. If you want to, you can syndicate it into unlimited accounts in Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, Tumblr, etc. And the social videos in here, you can actually do the search and ad thing again as well. And you can actually go and search for Creative Commons videos as well in any niche, and you can download them. You just checkbox them, download them. The software will download them if you want to re-upload them and put them into YouTube as your own videos, and then you can create another playlist with them. It's really powerful stuff in here. Channel Spy lets you see what other people are doing. We can go and see exactly what other people are doing. This is Brian Dean's channel in here, and we can see what's working for him and what's not. And you can see this one here, how to get organic traffic. It's got 8,000 views just. It's got actually 380,000 views. Let me show you a better one. This one here, how to deal with exploding topics. 8,000 views only, okay, 25 days ago. For Brian Dean, that's really low. He's used to getting hundreds of thousands of views. What went wrong? We can see, you know, that even if you're popular influencer, some topics are not going to work for you. You can get a good insight into other people's, into the marketplace just by looking at other people's channels, okay, with the Channel Spy tool. The rank checker, you can come in here, you can see the rank checker that I did for my compare car insurance keywords. You can see every single one of them had actually gone into page 1 before somebody decided to do something nasty with them. The RSS stuff in here that does some syndication with FeedBurner. Onlywire.com, it's just one click, and you can get your content, your videos and your playlist, you can get them backlinked using Onlywire, just at the click of a button. It's just very quick and very easy that you don't have to think about it. You just go ahead and click a button and it's done. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to show you. It's just a very quick demo, as quick as I could, at 27 minutes right now. Now look, there's a bonus that comes as well that you can get. Okay, now I did mention before about the keyword golden ratio tool. I've done a separate video so that this video doesn't have to be so long, okay, and that video will be underneath this one where you can see a demo of me using that one. But just very quickly, let me open the tool because I've been running it this morning, and I've been running like 2,785 keywords in here. Now the keyword golden ratio strategy really means that you have to go and get the all entitled result, okay, and you divide that by the search volume, okay, and it gives you a ratio. Now Doug Cunnington, the guy that created this strategy, he's been using this, and he's got a whole bunch of students been using this, making, you know, like $10,000, $14,000, $16,000 a month with this exact strategy. Basically, they're discovering keywords that they can use, and they're doing it manually for the all entitled, so that's restricting them quite a lot, okay, because you can see here I've got 2,785 keywords in here. Look at how many reds are here. Now if you're going into Google and you're doing all entitled colon then your keyword phrase, and you're doing it one by one, it's going to take you a long time to get through that, okay, and look at how many times you got a red there. I mean, your eyes would be glazing over trying to find those keywords. With this, you can just do this very simply. It's a simple click of a button. Now look what happens here. I'm just going to show you how to create a campaign so you can see. Okay, so you can click on the import button. Okay, now you can come over and you can find your CSV file, and it doesn't matter where you get that CSV file from, okay, whether you get it from Longtail Pro, Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, wherever, okay, it doesn't matter. We're just going to give this a name. I'm just going to call this one test 4, okay, and here select a keywords column. What's actually happening is that the software can see what columns it's got in your CSV, so it doesn't matter what source it's from, okay. You don't need a specific format because you just tell the software that column there has the keywords, and this column here called CPC, that one has the CPC. This column here with the monthly search volume is this one that says volume, and you can click on that and you can add, so everybody can just upload the CSV according to which keyword tool they found it from, okay. Now once you've got that, then we have we just click on process the button and the start processing button here. It will find it all in title, it will find it all in URL, it will do the calculation. So then it's going to start to find these nuggets, these keywords that you can go and rank for within 24 hours, okay, without any backlinks, okay. And you want to get those keywords into your content, okay. That you can even use these for the SEO Curate strategies as well. This will work really well for SEO Curate as well, so that you can get your playlist ranking. All you're doing then is you're just saturating the market, guys. You're making sure your content is everywhere. Your thumbnail from your most important videos is going to be everywhere, okay. That's exactly what we're doing there. And so you can get a hold of this today. Now I'm going to be selling this separately, probably for the full version about well, I'm guessing it will get to about 197 by the time I'm finished with this, because we will be adding some bits and pieces, extra bits and pieces, which I don't want to mention just now because I need to make sure that we can get them done. But you can see right now, this is a powerful little tool, okay. You know, I've seen keyword tools that don't do this kind of unique strategy. And we can take the strategy further as well, because of actually, you know, this particular campaign here, you can see that we've got monthly searches under 250, but it's actually finding with the green monthly searches over 250. And I want to do some extra calculation options in here for different scenarios that you guys can sort of choose as a filter as well, so that we've got different strategies that we can use. But I need to see that that can be done first and get some ideas from the customers and how they want to see that being done, what options they want to see, so that this can become even more powerful as time goes on. So it's not just the keyword golden ratio from Doug, which is a great strategy, fantastic strategy, but other people have other strategies based on this that we can take further, and that's what we want to do. So anyway, thank you for your time, thank you for watching. I hope you got some value from this. I hope you see the power of Vid Curate Alpha combined with this tool here as a bonus. You got something really powerful. I mean, this tool here, even just as bonus, is worth the money that we're selling Vid Curate Alpha for. And don't forget, everything is one-time cost. You don't have any recurring to pay if you use your discount coupon, which is actually on the sales page. I put it there for you so that you can't miss it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.